Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't really want to vlog today, but I'm trying to be better about vlogging, so I'm going to anyways. I have some stuff to return right here. I just ordered these masks from Amazon. I really wanted to get some black ones. I just feel like they're not gonna really help me much. I'm wearing this really cute sweatsuit. I actually don't really have a lot of sweatsuits. I'm wearing my Forces. It's just a crew neck. It's so comfortable, by the way. Like, it's thick. I don't know if it's still available. I got it a while ago, I just never wore it. Try to link it below. I usually try to link anything I'm wearing or anything I mention. If I can link it, I usually will link it in the description box. Make sure you guys check that out. But I need to go get gas. I freaking hate pumping my gas. Like, if I can avoid it, I will. I have to go to my mom's to pick up a package, and I might have her wax my brows because they've been looking a little wonky lately. I was gonna get Starbucks this morning, but it's now 3 o'clock. I'm not a morning person. Okay, first, we're gonna go to the gas station and then Target. Just when you say Target, you just smile. Like, you instantly just get happy. Starbucks has these little mugs at Target, the Target Starbucks. They have these cute little candy cane mugs. I'm gonna try to find one. I would like two, but if I can find one, I'll be a happy girl today.
Oh, I'm being right now.
You're so rude.
I'll call you when I'm there.
Alright. Gas is so cheap. $2.60, yo. I'm filling that whole thing up. So I ended up at Jack in the Box. I never come here, but it's just the closest fast food. I need to get a drink. I know a lot of people used to film the how much I spend in a week videos, but I don't think you guys want to know how much I spend in a week, and I don't think I want to know. So we'll just do today. Let me actually pull up my statements. I also did some online shopping this morning, so we're gonna have to add that in. Every freaking website right now is on sale for Black Friday. Like, they started all the sales early, so I'm already on them. $35.67 on gas, and then I spent $8.10 at Jack in the Box. This morning I ordered from Misguided, and I spent $139.80. Got some really cute little jackets. I wanted to try the Jack in the Box egg roll because everyone says it's so good. I've never tried it, and their sweet and sour is fire. Small curly fry. You can't go to Jack in the Box and not get the curly fries. Okay. I got a small Fanta. Oh, I needed that. This is a small. This is definitely a medium. Let's see what it's talking about. Ooh, it's like thick. She thick. Pretty good. I would get this again. My dad's birthday was on the 17th, November 17th, and I couldn't find him anything for his birthday, so I'm gonna see if I can find him something. I don't think you guys met Mamie or Carly. I don't know, have you guys? Maybe you have in like Preston's birthday vlog. They're two good friends of mine and Keisha, so I think all four of us are gonna do Secret Santa, but I don't know how we're gonna do the drawing for it. I'm gonna have to see the next time I go up to Seattle. We can do the drawing for that, but Keisha's actually coming here, I think next week or 2 weeks, so I can't wait. Our Zoo Lights is actually doing a drive-through experience this year, so I think I might take her to that. I've never been to Zoo Lights, so it's kind of sad that like they don't have the real Zoo Lights this year. I really have never been on a cute Christmas date, so since she's gonna be here, I might as well take advantage of it. I got a couple of gifts already, like part of their gifts. I love giving gifts. I feel like I'm so good at it. Like, I really pay attention to what they like, so it makes me super excited to like get them stuff. The smile on their face and like seeing them so surprised, that's like the best part. And gifts don't even have to be a lot of money. I mean, they're great if they're a lot of money, but they don't have to be. This is such a cute gift idea. These are 15 days of socks. I actually got Unica, the Harry Potter one, a couple years ago. They have so many different ones. It's so cute. I want this robe so bad. If anyone wants to get me a Christmas gift, I really want this robe from Target. I literally see it every time I come, but I just don't want to buy it. Oh, it's so cute. This is why I can't be trusted at Target. Like, what the heck did I get? That guy just opened the door for her. And he bought her flowers. What the fuck? Not for breakfast. Who is this on the couch? Say hi to the vlog. What? The tree now? No, not yet. You're gonna have to move stuff. Are you selling the couches? Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys what I got at Target. First, I got this body wash. I'm obsessed with this. I talked about this in another vlog, and I got another one of it. Where'd it go? Oh my god, I have to put these pizza rolls in the freezer. I've never tried this one, but I love the pink one. I got a loofah. This one's from Eco Tools. I just liked the color. I got these press-on nails, which I don't know if I'm going to use. I thought they were really pretty, but I just don't want to ruin my real nails. These are my natural nails. I don't really want to ruin them, but I want to try these. I got this hair conditioner. I really like this. I'm actually using this right now, and I really like it, so I thought I'd buy it again. And I got my favorite wine. Had to get that. Pads free of dyes, fragrances, and chlorine bleaching. I guess if you use like organic pads or tampons, it prevents you from having cramps. So I'm gonna see if that's true or not. So I just got like the little box of it. Disinfectant wipes. I always use these to clean. So I got 3 of those. I've never seen these in stock in forever. Shaving gel. I haven't tried this shea butter one, but I usually buy this brand. Dove dry shampoo. This is the green one. I've been using the blue one, and I am going to try the green one again. This smells so good. It's the Dailyannie Amber and Rose. It smells so good. I've never used these. I've seen a lot of people use them, so I'm going to try it, but it's just an in-wash scent booster. Got these 2 little bowls. Oh my god, these are so cute. I love the color, but I'm going to use them for salads. They're like 79 cents each. Hand sanitizer and some sauce. I've never tried this, but I'm going to try this with the sliders. Target came out to $106.50. I think at Safeway I spent maybe 20 something bucks. I'll add it on the screen. I'm just gonna put my hair up because I'm gonna wash it tonight. I don't like the way it's been curling lately. Like, I hated how it looked today, so I think I'm gonna wash it. These hair ties are life. Hair ties I use are from Goody. They're these ouchless, soft, and seamless. They're so good. They're really stretchy, and if you have like longer hair, this is so good. I can't believe it took me that long to get these. They're so much better than these regular hair ties. I'm actually about to go to my mom's to pick up some of my packages. I think I have a Sephora package, so tomorrow I'm going to show you guys the Sephora VIB stuff that I got. I don't think I'm gonna ask her to wax my brows. I'm just kind of like, I don't know, I just want to go pick up my stuff, you know? Like, I don't want to stay there and talk, and I don't know, I'm just not in the mood. We just sold part of our couch, well, most of it. This is actually the first couch we ever had in my childhood home. It's very outdated, obviously, but we still have the little foot thingy and one of the chairs. We sold a 3-seat sofa and a 2-seat sofa. We're actually gonna turn this into like a home gym area, and I don't know if we're gonna put the Christmas tree there or there. Hey guys, it's the next day, so we're gonna make some sliders. I don't know why I was craving some. I've actually never made them, so I mean, it can't be that hard. It's just some little burgers. We got the ground turkey, coleslaw. I got this little sauce at Target, some special sauce. It kind of looks like Big Mac sauce or like some In-N-Out. I don't know. Hopefully it's good. I got some buns. They're so cute. I forgot to buy seasonings, so we're just gonna have to make it work with what we got at the crib, which is not much. I'm just gonna use some salt, pepper. I usually use pink salt, but we don't have any. And then these seasonings. This is the best seasoning, the onion salt, but we don't have any adobo, Johnny's, or nothing. Got the ground turkey in the bowl. Sorry if you're vegetarian or vegan. I'm very sorry. Ew, what is that? I'm gonna roll these up. like that, and then smush it. Probably could do more. I kind of like a little bit of a thinner burger. I like my burgers a little skinny, so what I'm gonna do before I put them on the grill is smush them. I'm gonna mix the coleslaw with this dressing, and I like mine really cold, and I've had this out, so it's a little warm now, so I'm gonna mix it together and then put it in the fridge. The final product, I got the sauce on the top, ground turkey, and the coleslaw is looking right. You could add like mayo, ketchup, and cheese, but I'm not a cheese person. I'm about to tell y'all how it tastes right now. It's going crazy. I think I'm gonna go to my mom's and pick up my packages. I didn't end up doing it yesterday, but I keep avoiding it because I don't want to drive. Not much going on today. I don't know. I'm supposed to hang out with my friend, but either way, I'm gonna be drinking some wine. I have so many. Let me show you. This one's empty. I still have it because I was gonna film my fall favorites and I couldn't find it anywhere. I have the Moon X. I still haven't tried the Cabernet, but I did try this one. I don't know how you say it, Pina. I don't know how you say that, but it's strong. Like the flavor isn't sweet and it's not, I don't know, to me it's not that good, but it gets you feeling like that quicker than my Riscato. This one I got because of Madison Sarah, but I actually got the wrong one. I don't know if we have the one that she likes. I'm actually working with PLT in another clothing haul, but they sent me the wrong freaking sizes and I'm so mad because they aren't able to send me another package, and I really wanted this stuff, but it's just way too small. They actually sent me 2 sizes and both of them are wrong. I have 3 boxes from Sephora to show you guys. This is everything I got from the VIB sale. Let me start with the newer stuff that I got. I just got this one today, so let me open it up. By the way, I do have a P.O. box, so if you guys ever wanted to send me something, DM me on Instagram and I could send you guys my P.O. box. I don't think I ever announced it to you guys that I have a P.O. box, but if you guys wanted to send anything like a card or a gift or something from your business, you guys can definitely send it. I would love to see it. I got a sample of the Flower Bomb Midnight. I've been wanting to smell this. I like the original Flower Bomb. I just don't like it because everyone uses it, so I never bought it, but I'm a huge perfume junkie. These are the first products I've ever tried from Patrick Ta. I got the brow shaping wax and the brush that comes with it. My brows have just been looking terrible, so I want to try something new. This looks so pretty. This is in the color Tinted. It's just a brow wax. I'm really excited to try this. I saw someone using it and it looked so good. And the brush is so nice. It's a rose gold and it's angled on one side and a spoolie on the other. Most of the stuff is skincare. I got a little bit of makeup, but the first thing is this Supergoop matte sunscreen and it's SPF 40. This was recommended to me by my friend Hannah, Hanny Bakes on YouTube. I actually really like this. I haven't seen, I mean my skin has broken out a little bit, but I don't think that it's from this. I think it's just from like the weather or like my diet and stuff. I have very sensitive skin, you guys. I have very sensitive acne prone skin. I cannot change my makeup or my skincare that often. Like I have Oh, I'm getting a call. I like this so far. It is tinted actually. Like, it has a little bit of color to it. I desperately needed to get a sunscreen because I do not wear sunscreen. I know it's so bad for your skin. I just haven't found one that I like. I've tried a bunch of Shiseido ones and I don't like them. I always get super oily and it just looks really bad under my makeup. And then I got this Summer Fridays kit. This is such a good deal. So this is the hydration set and it comes with this really nice little bag. I think this will be really nice for traveling with your skincare. That's what I'm going to use it for, but it comes with 3 products. So the only one out of these 3 that I've tried is the CC Me serum. It's just a vitamin C serum. I love this so far. Things like this definitely take time, so I haven't seen, you know, like a drastic difference, but it doesn't break me out, and that is big for me. Everything freaking breaks me out, I'm telling you. So far so good. I really like this. I have to update you guys on if it does help my scarring, but that is like my #1 problem. With the jet lag mask, which I've been wanting to try, and a lip butter balm. I didn't know it came with this. I haven't even opened this. I just really want to try the vitamin C serum. Ooh, I'm about to use this tonight. Picked up a bunch of different cleansers. I got 3 of them. I've been using the same cleanser for a minute now, and I don't know, I just want to switch it up, but I do love the one that I have. This is the Shiseido Deep Cleansing Foam. This is horrible. It leaves your skin way too clean, like squeaky clean, almost like, I don't know, when you touch your face there's like a film on it. It's just not good. I hate that. I also got the clarifying cleansing foam. This one's for normal skin. My brother also picked this up because he wanted to try it, but I don't know, the reviews on both of these are really good. And then I got this because Carla Jara like swears by this. It's the Clinique Acne Solutions Cleansing Foam. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products, but I've been kind of scared to try this because it has salicylic acid in it. My skin doesn't react to products well that are geared towards acne, like benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. My skin doesn't really like them. Also picked up the Clinique toner. A lot of people love this. I haven't tried it yet. It's the Clinique Clarifying Lotion. I got the #2. Ulla Henriksen Sheer Transformation Moisturizer. This is a moisturizer I've been using for over 8 years now. I definitely need something more heavier for the winter time, but I haven't found anything that I like. I've tried Tatcha. I've literally tried so many, but my skin is very picky, so I just try to use like more of this in the winter time. And for makeup, I got this little Fenty like travel set. It comes with a little lip gloss in Fussy, which I'm obsessed with, and then it also comes with a little highlighter in the Diamond Balm. And I love using this on my body when I go out, so this was a really good deal. The last things are some foundations. I got the Laura Mercier Silk Cream Oil Free. I do not like this. It's okay. I don't like hate the foundation, but for the price and everything, I would rather use the Bare Minerals, which is what I've been using. I'm gonna return this. I also got the NARS Soft Matte Foundation in Santa Fe. I think this might be too light, but everyone's been talking about this foundation and I don't like any of the other NARS foundations, so I have to like this one, right? Heard so many good things about it, so I want to try it. I just kind of guessed on my shade because they don't have this in the store. I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're not gonna decorate the Christmas tree tonight, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little weekend with me vlog. I love you guys, and make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to like this video and leave me a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.